Hi, I'm Charlene Collins Freeman. Welcome to my watercolor products review of several Viviva products. Viviva is new to me, and I was eager to try both their sketchbooks and their color sheets. They offer a variety of both. I have the A5 landscape sketchbook, which makes it 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. They have several sets of color sheets, and here I chose to review the spring set. These color sheets are really intriguing because I go sketching all the time, so the smaller I can get my kit, the better. These really are sheets of paper that are heavily pigmented, and the pigment gets activated as soon as I add water to it, but we'll get to that. First, let's look at their sketchbook. I really love the cover and it's nice quality. One thing I absolutely loved about this sketchbook is that it lays completely flat when it's open. This paper is hot press 120-pound paper. It's good quality paper and I really enjoyed painting on it. Here is the spring single set Viviva color sheets. On the left you see the packaging and on the right are the sheets themselves. This means that when you're out in the field painting, this is all you have to bring, is this small little book of colors. Here I'll flip through them so you can see all the various colors that are in this set. Just like the colors that are squeezed from tubes into my palette, these sheets don't really show you the real color that they will paint. To understand that, we have to wet each color and paint with it. This little piece of paper I've pulled out is actually the palette mixing area. Super fun. Look how easy this is, especially for sketching on the go. I've decided to fill up a page with flowers and leaves as a way to test every single color in this set. Here we go. I hope you enjoy my quick little demonstration. The colors are rich and paint very easily. As I alter how much water is in my brush, I'm able to get a beautiful range from light to dark of each color. And they're really vibrant. These paints were a lot of fun to play with, and I recommend them to anybody who enjoys painting on the go or experimenting with new watercolor supplies. And who doesn't enjoy that? These were really fun to paint with. I recommend you go get yourself some color sheets and get the sketchbook too. They're great. As always, thanks for watching.